Today we'll explore an essential topic for any quantity surveyor: how to ace your cost value reconciliation, or CVR. Mastering the CVR process is vital to ensure your project's financial health and profitability. Let's start by defining CVR. Cost value reconciliation is a crucial financial reporting process that compares the cost incurred with the value of work completed. This helps you to identify discrepancies, allowing you to take corrective actions before they affect project outcomes. It's particularly useful in forecasting cash flow and optimizing financial performance. As a quantity surveyor, your role in the CVR process is indispensable. A CVR gives you insights into the project performance, ensuring transparency in costs, profits, and potential risks. When done correctly, it can provide key information that guides financial decisions, keeps stakeholders informed, and maximizes project profitability. Here's a step-by-step guide to acing your CVR. Step 1. Accurate data collection. Begin with precise, up-to-date cost data. Capture all relevant costs, including labor, plant, material, subcontract costs, and indirect expenses, ensuring nothing is missed. Step 2. Clear valuation of completed work. Assess the value of work completed. Normally, this involves visiting site and checking that the work has been carried out by visual inspection and/or measurement. Be sure to stay conservative when estimating to avoid overvaluing. Just as you'd stay conservative in your CVR valuations, Metroun offers a cost-effective way to stay up to date with your CPD for less than the price of a weekly coffee. Head over to metroun.co.uk to satisfy all your formal CPD needs. Step 3. Provision for future cost. When comparing costs with the value of work, ensure you make provisions for costs that are related to completed work that have not yet been incurred. This is achieved through accruals, ensuring costs and value align within the same reporting period. Step 4. Variance Analysis. Investigate any variances between cost and value. This could stem from price fluctuations, underperforming subcontractors, or delays. It's vital to understand why these variances occur so corrective actions can be taken. Step 5. Action Plan. Develop and implement an action plan to manage variances. This might involve renegotiating terms with suppliers, adjusting project timelines, cutting down on expenses where possible, or investigating potential claims. Step 6. Report to stakeholders. Finally, prepare a report for stakeholders, ensuring transparency in both the data and your recommendations. Clear communication is vital to prevent surprises and manage expectations. Now let's explore some common pitfalls to avoid. You won't want to miss this part, so make sure to continue watching. Inconsistent updates. Ensure you perform CVRs regularly, on a monthly basis at minimum, to avoid financial surprises down the line. Regular reviews give you a clear view of a project's financial health. Overvaluing completed work. Avoid inflating the value of work done under pressure. This can lead to an incorrect picture of the project's financial health, fueling complacency among stakeholders. Ignoring small variances. Don't dismiss small variances. They can accumulate into significant problems. Address every variance promptly to ensure accuracy and control. To ace your CVR as a quantity surveyor, attention to detail is crucial. Regular updates, a focus on accuracy, and clear communication with stakeholders will ensure your project stays financially healthy and on track. By following these steps and avoiding common pitfalls, you'll be well on your way to mastering the CVR process and driving project profitability. If you enjoyed this video, please consider clicking the like button. It really helps our channel grow. Also, why not subscribe so you get updated when we upload every Wednesday? Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.